Welcome everyone. As you can see the mobile screen here, I will show you on this how to earn about $100 a day on your mobile itself. First I have a question to ask. Do you watch movies or animes? Sorry, that's a silly question. Because who in the world don't like movies or animes? And that's the exact strategy we are going to use. There are plenty of websites which provide free movies and anime stuff. But do you actually think it's free? Because I don't. When you download a movie from the internet, the website redirects you to different advertisement stuff. Which is exactly how the website owners earn money from you and everybody else. But instead of website, we will earn through YouTube from day one, without AdSense and without monetization. You just need your phone and my process to implement. So the videos we are going to create require some extra websites and apps to be downloaded, which is already in description of this video. So first decide a movie name. Season 5 of Money Heist web series is recently released. So let's take Money Heist as an example. Now let's find from where we get this web series for free. For this problem, there are 3 different websites in description from where you can download any movie or anime for free. So just download the Money Heist series from one of these websites. Now create an account on UpFiles. You will get paid when someone downloads your stuff. So we will upload the recent Money Heist series on UpFiles and copy the link. What if we double monetize it? Like there's an website called X.io, which pays money when you shorten your URLs. So we have the UpFiles URL and we will shorten it on X.io. Which means, when someone downloads our stuff from the description of our YouTube video, we will get paid by X website and UpFiles website. Which is pretty amazing. But that's the description thing. What about video? What we will show in our video? So let me clear it out. Inside the video, we will show our audience how to open our links and download from them. By doing this, people watching our video will definitely click on the links. And we will get paid a good amount of money. If you still have doubt, there is a video in I button or in the description, which is an example of how these types of videos are created. I wrote the summary in description, have a look at it, and don't forget to subscribe for daily money making tutorials. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.